If you want to scale a home service business in 2026, whether you're starting from absolute zero or you're already doing six figures, there are only 3 skills that determine your entire success. And here's the uncomfortable truth, right? Most people fail in home services not because of competition, not because of the economy, and not because of slow seasons. They fail because nobody taught them how to think like a business owner, right? So in this video, I'm giving you 3 frameworks that I wish that somebody handed me years ago. The frameworks that helped me go from working a dead-end 9-to-5 to building an 8-figure consulting brand, to generating over $100 million in sales for clients and spending over $2 million of my own money on ads and helping over 1,200 home service-based business and entrepreneurs grow and scale. These aren't theories. This is the real playbook that I've lived. Take notes. Your entire business trajectory is inside of this video. Framework number 1, your relationship with money home services is not like a 9-to-5 job. So when you were an employee, the money cycle was simple. You get paid, you pay the bills, and you spend what's left. But the moment you became a home service business owner, that formula will destroy your business because now money isn't a goal, money is fuel. The new formula is collect revenue, reinvest, create future revenue, and then take profit. That's it. So if you don't build this muscle early, the business will always feel stressful, unstable, and predictable. And here's the truth that nobody tells the beginners, right? The money comes in is not your money. It belongs to the systems that produce more money. Facebook ads, Google ads, equipment, software, labor, or home jobs, iOS, all the machines that you're using to build and unlock revenue without relying on your personal labor. And you need to fund those machines. So here's the rule. Take 10% of every single dollar that comes in and immediately invest it into a predictable lead generation system. This might be ads, it might be local marketing, it might be door knockers, it might be content, but the principle stays the same. If you don't buy attention, you will never get enough attention to grow and scale your business. This is where new home service business owners choke. They save their way into staying broke because they never learned how to invest. High growth home service entrepreneurs, we invest and we eat later. Framework number 2 is your relationship with people. You're in the people business, not the product business. If you're in home services, you're selling labor wrapped in a promise. And the quality of your labor comes down to one thing, your ability to lead people. Now, let me tell you something. I learned this after coaching hundreds of home service business owners, right? Most people don't have a marketing problem. Most people don't have a sales problem. Most people don't even have a fulfillment problem. They have what we call a leadership problem. And you have to understand this at its core. The best talent isn't attracted to money. It's attracted to mission, vision, and values. People want to feel valued, they want to feel supported, they want to feel appreciated, they want to feel challenged, and they want to feel like they're part of something that's growing. You see, the trades industry is filled with business owners who treat workers as disposable labor, and that's your unique advantage because the bar is so low. If you can simply do these things, which is follow through with your word, protect your team, compensate people fairly, set clear expectations, and create a vision that people can see themselves in, you will attract A players in an industry full of C players because hiring also requires a system. In my companies, nobody gets hired without passing through a few of these things: a high caliber hiring ad, a skills and traits questionnaire, a phone screening, a structured interview, a background check, and a paid working interview. And why? Because great people want to work where the standards are high. You aren't just looking for bodies, you're looking for believers. Great businesses aren't built by owners, they're built by teams. Framework number 3, your relationship with your product. Now, this one kind of hurts the ego, but it's so true. If you don't respect the work, you would never scale the business. You see, your product is not the paint, the sod, the lights, the gutters, the turf, the epoxy. Your product is the experience, brand, communication, speed, cleanliness, reliability, professionalism, follow through. You see, the customers aren't buying the service, they're buying the feeling of being taken care of. Because in the beginning, your product probably won't be that great, because mine wasn't. And I remember standing outside a client's home, right? Workers didn't show, paint sprayers was clogged. I didn't know half of what I needed to do, But the one thing I had was a standard. I will not leave until I'm proud of the work. And I won't take your money until they're proud. Now that mentality built everything I have today because the customers can feel the standards. The team can feel the standards. Your community feels those standards. Now listen to this. You don't have to stay in one field forever. In fact, you shouldn't. But I believe every home service CEO should get in the trenches long enough to understand the craft. Not to master it, but to respect it, because respect creates better leadership, better marketing, better sales, better pricing, better products, and better products scale bigger businesses. Now, here's the problem with most home service entrepreneurs. They start a business and then they start thinking like an employee. They try to save money instead of trying to grow money. They try to control people instead of empowering people. They try to sell labor instead of selling transformation. They try to do everything instead of trying to build systems. And that's why we created the Home Jobs operating system, right? The complete operating system for home service entrepreneurs. It automates lead tracking, scheduling, quotes, follow-ups, pipeline management, customer communication, and so much more. It's not just the software. It's the backbone, the operating system that keeps your business profitable. But software alone doesn't grow you. You need community. You need strategy. You need support. You need people who get what you're trying to do. And that's why I built something even more important. And it's the only thing that you need to scale your home service business. So join the Home Service Hub, a free community of home service entrepreneurs who are hungry and ready to scale. Inside of this community, you'll get hiring frameworks, you'll get sales scripts, you'll get pricing guides, ad breaks down. I'll literally show you some of the campaigns that have been my top performers, business systems, weekly trainings, a community of people scaling their business just like you. Now, in this community, there's no fluff, no gatekeeping, no paywalls, just real strategies for real home service entrepreneurs. Now, if that sounds like you, the link is in the description. So if you master money, people, and product, you will be a home service business that creates freedom, creates stability, creates wealth, and more importantly, creates impact. Now, the truth is most people never learn these frameworks, and you just did. So now you got one job: implement. Join the Home Service Hub, connect with your people, and let's build a business that you know that you're capable of. I'll see you on the inside.